Meanwhile, the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, JMDA, has confirmed claims by opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, that malfunctioning equipment at the Kingston Public Hospital are seriously hampering the delivery of health care. JMDA President Dr. Elon Thompson is urging the government to immediately address the situation. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
Some of the malfunctioning equipment at the Kingston Public Hospital include radiological machines. President of the Jamaica Medical Doctors Association, JMDA, Dr. Elon Thompson, who also works at KPH, says this has resulted in patients having to pay for the services at other medical facilities. But he explains that some persons cannot afford it and therefore are not being treated for some illnesses.
There are key pieces of radiological equipment that needs to be looked at, and they don't work, and they need to be replaced. I mean, we won't go into listing them. We try as best as possible. The private partnership of it then comes into play, so we can try and outsource some of the investigations. So whatever cannot be done in the public system, we have to outsource it in the private system.
The JMDA president says the Kingston Public Hospital appears to always be in crisis mode. He wants the government to address the issues urgently.
There are key pieces of equipment now that don't work, and we have to look at how we're going to get them, whether functional or buy new equipment, and how they're going to be maintained for a long while. We also have to look at projections. What is the requirement of the hospital on a yearly basis? I think the budget for the allocation of the budget to us is still meager.
Despite the challenges, Dr. Thompson says doctors and nurses continue to do what they can.
We can't continue to say that we're serious about healthcare and we don't demonstrate it. A lot of times it's just a lot of talk. And we have to really be serious in our actions as to how we're going to move the institution forward. There is no doubt that the Kingston Public Hospital is one of the premier institutions in the Caribbean, I would say. Difficulty I have is that some persons don't seem to understand that we can do so much more than we are doing if given the resources.
Earlier this week, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said he's aware of the challenges and some of them will be addressed in the 10-year strategic plan set out by his ministry. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.